Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. What is the color of blood when it's inside your body? A. Yellow, B. White, C. Red, D. Green. The right answer is C. Red. Question number 2. Which is the fastest bird in the world? A. Bald eagle, B. Peregrine falcon, C. Hummingbird, D. Raven. The right answer is B. Peregrine falcon. Question number 3. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? A. Angel Falls, Venezuela, B. Niagara Falls, New York, C. A.O.A. Falls, Hawaii, D. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. The right answer is A. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Question number 4. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Saturn, C. Mars, D. Mercury. The right answer is C. Mars. Question number 5. Which element is known as the building block of life? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. The right answer is B. Carbon. Question number 6. Which food item never spoil? A. Honey, B. Beef jerky, C. Cereal, D. Beans. The right answer is A. Honey. Question number 7. Which ancient civilization is created with the invention of the wheel? A. The Romans, B. The Egyptians, C. The Sumerians, D. The Greeks. The right answer is C. The Sumerians. Question number 8. About how many cents can a human nose remember? A. Around 500, B. Around 10,000, C. Around 50,000, D. Around 1 million. The right answer is C. Around 50,000. Question number 9. What is the capital city of Canada? A. Toronto, B. Vancouver, C. Ottawa, D. Montreal. The right answer is C. Ottawa. Question number 10. What was the main purpose of the pyramids built by the ancient Egyptians? A. To serve as royal places, B. To function as public meeting spaces, C. To act as defensive fortresses, D. To house the tombs of pharaohs. The right answer is D. To house the tomb of pharaohs. Question number 11. Which color is not there in the rainbow? A. Indigo, B. Red, C. Brown, D. Yellow. The right answer is C. Brown. Question number 12. How many stripes are there on the US flag? A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, D. 13. The right answer is D. 13. Question number 13. How many rings appear on the Olympic flag? A. 1, B. 3, C. 5, D. 7. The right answer is C. 5. Question number 14. What is the atomic sign for helium on the periodic table? A. H, B. He, CHLDHU. The right answer is BHE. Question number 15. What is the general name of a group of wolves? A. Pack, B. School, C. Flock, D. Herd. The right answer is A. Pack. Question number 16. What is the currency of Scotland? A. Euro, B. Yen, C. Pound sterling, D. Haggis. The right answer is C. Pound sterling. Question number 17. In which country is the Taj Mahal situated? A. Pakistan, B. India, C. Japan, D. France. The right answer is B. India. Question number 18. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Mississippi, B. Nile, C. Amazon, D. Yangtze. The right answer is B. Nile. Question 19. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Caravaggio, B. Sandro Botticelli, C. Leonardo da Vinci, D. Galileo Galilei. The right answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 20. Which planet is the third closest to the Sun? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. The right answer is A. Earth. Question number 21. Which element is the said to keep bones strong? A. Carbon, B. Nitrogen, C. Calcium, D. Oxygen. The right answer is C. Calcium. Question number 22. Who wrote the epic novel War and Peace? A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Fyodor Dostoevsky, C. Charles Dickens, D. Victor Hugo. The right answer is A. Leo Tolstoy. Question 23. Which element is the most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. The right answer is B. Nitrogen. Question number 24. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Au, B. Ag, C. Ga, D. Ge. The right answer is A. Au. Question 25. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? A. Monaco, B. Nauru, C. Vatican City, D. Tuvalu. The right answer is C. Vatican City.